So today we're going to talk about the top reasons a buyer would cancel a home sale. So let's think about it. You just got this offer on your house and you're excited. Everybody's excited because it's exciting because you're one step closer to the closing table. But here's the truth. The deal isn't done until the keys are handed over and the money's put in the bank. And did you know, in fact, nearly 1 in 4 real estate deals fall apart after going under contract? Sad truth. So today I am breaking down the top 5 reasons buyers cancel a home sale. And more importantly, how you can protect yourself and your sale. Let me tell you about one of my sellers last year. They were thrilled to accept a clean, full price offer with no delays. Everything looked great until the inspection report came in. And the buyer had flagged issues, the buyers got cold feet, and within just a short 48 hours, the deal was dead. But here's the good news. We didn't give up. We learned from it. We got a pre-listing inspection. We made smart repairs. We priced strategically. And just 6 weeks later, we closed with another buyer. That experience taught me something powerful. Most failed sales aren't bad luck. They're preventable. And now I'm sharing that lesson with you. Home inspections are one of the most common deal breakers. Buyers don't want hidden problems. If a buyer finds issues like roof damage or foundation cracks or old HVAC systems, you know what? They might walk or demand big concessions. That's why a pre-listing inspection can be a smart move. It gives you the chance to fix or price in any problems up front and prevents you from being blindsided later. Key point number 2, financing falling through. Even after pre-approval, buyers can lose their financing. Maybe the credit changes. Maybe they take on new debt. They go buy a new vehicle. They go buy furniture. Or the lender's underwriting spots a red flag. As a seller, you can protect yourself by requiring strong pre-approval letters from a reputable lender, reviewing buyer qualifications, and keeping timelines tight. A qualified buyer is great. A verified buyer, that's peace of mind. So key point number 3 is appraisals. If the appraiser says your home isn't worth what the buyer offered, the lender will not cover the difference. What are you going to do? Unless the buyer can bring more cash or you agree to lower the price, the deal stalls. This is why pricing the home right from day one matters so very much. Overpricing might feel good at first, but it invites appraisal gaps, renegotiations, and last-minute cancellations. Set realistic expectations early, and you'll attract serious buyers who can actually close. Key point number 4, cold feet or buyer's remorse. Not every cancellation is actually about money. Sometimes it's emotion. A buyer may panic, get spooked by the commitment, or find another home they like better. You can't prevent buyer's remorse, but you can reduce the risk by keeping communication open, setting clearer timelines, and working with a solid agent who keeps the deal on track. Key point number 5, too many contingencies. Every if and but in an offer adds risks. I'll buy if I sell my home. I need 6 weeks for inspections. My loan approval could take up to 8 weeks. More contingencies mean more chances to back out. That's why I work closely with sellers to evaluate not just the offer, but the strength and speed of the terms. A slightly lower offer with fewer strings attached is often better than a high-risk bid. Getting under contract is exciting, but remember, it's only step 1. If you want to close strong, it starts with setting your home and your offer terms up for success. If you're planning to sell, let's talk. I'll help you prepare your home, review offers wisely, and avoid the most common deal breakers that derail a sale.